Tatlo sa Caloocan dito, mga mainstays. Kasama nila Robbie Celis and Jello Razon.
Oo, totoo yan. And I'm looking at the front line as well of Muntinlupa. Kumbaga, meron ding length and mobility itong mga to. Gama Evangelista.
Ayan, pinaitaan tayo agad.
Right
AJ
there,
Miranda.
AJ Miranda and Miggy Cortez. And nandiyan pa si Jason Strait. So,
Rob Celis with a rebound. Tayong Tong. What a pass. Razon is free for a free
What a
bucket.
what a shot by Jello Razon. And really just a good feed by Joko Toyontong. If there is one guard, in my opinion, as you see that move right there.
In traffic yun from AJ Miranda.
By AJ Miranda.
Nasundutan. Nasa Muntinlupa pa rin ang possession. Umikot si Miranda. 3 seconds left on their shot
Nice
clock.
ball movement.
Evangelista, a second remaining. Drills in that three from the left corner.
You're not surprised that Agama.
Sa poste, Robbie Celis. Laban kay Miggy Corteza. Celis, umihit sa loob. Lays it up and in.
When you look at the triangle offense, the ones that's been successful adjustments, who's going to be able to successfully adjusting as the game progresses.
Corteza,
Nice fake.
shot fake. Floater is up and in.
Yan yung mga tinuturo ni Coach Vincent Harder dito sa mga players na.
But kay Robbie Celis. Celis onto the front court. Kick out pass, Jerome Cabanag.
Nice
Ang
pass.
ganda ng pasahan! Nalibre si Robbie Celis for 2 more.
Back on, you see a lot of camaraderie, a lot of togetherness in this team. And right now, in that instance, you're seeing that on the floor.
Woo!
And Gama once again with a 3.
Dalawang tres na yan.
Tsaka wala.
Ito si Kian Baclaan.
Yes. Yes, he did.
Kian, side step. No good. Kamson inside, gobbling up the offensive board. Getting that hook shot to drop. 12-10 is our score. Lamang ang Caloocan ng dalawa.
Did we say that they needed a Kobe in the triangle offense? Well, they also needed a Shaq, and that happens to be Eric Kamson para dito sa Caloocan. Vince, though.
Gianna Llanes. Napunta ka na bang Siargao, Coach Mike?
Hindi pa eh.
MJ, all the way from Siargao, knocks down a free.
Well, MJ,
MJ. Switch. Prince Casin, pakapasok lang para sa Caloocan. Sa loob ng Araro, si Romel Calahat, basket plus the foul. Bonus free throw coming up.
wala.
Baclaan. Pasok sa loob, pasa papuntay Calahat. Gets the friendly bounce on the reverse.
A slow kid.
Oo nga, I think one of our courtside reporters reported that one. As Belención, alam mo naman ito, laging may green light galing sa labas. Baclaan on the right side, guarded by MJ, deliver hit. Kamson facing up, now backing down Miggy Corteza. Fadeaway J by Kamson is pure.
So far, Eric Kamson has done well. Nandun na kanina, naka-low post na. Supposed to be a high-low for Eric Kamson, but Matias opted to look for that roller on the other end.
Miggy Corteza, one-hander again.
And the Cagers continue to make.
Kamson with offensive rebound. Matias underneath. Doesn't get the friendly roll. He grabs his own miss. What a pass!
Wow.
Kamson, the cut and the finish.
Well, that's the energy that this crowd needs to see.
Cabanag comes away with it.
There
Jello
you go.
Razon for free. Wala pa din. Kamson sa loob. Razon inside! 2 points plus the foul.
And this is what the crowd.
On point guard. As of today, Coach Mike, Tayong Tong, Palencia, Barcuma, Bitoon, Razon, and Baclaan. Sabi nga niya sa akin in that point position, sabi niya in his words, hihiram na lang ako ng bola sa kalaban. Mukhang magkukulang ang isa eh. Ken, Coach Mike.
Nakita mo yung galaw na yun, Mika? Binanggit mo isa sa mga yon, si Kian Baclaan.
And get into the groove here in the third quarter.
Just 1 of 3 at the line, however. But this is now the biggest lead. Naibaba ni Felix Apreco yan with that mid-range jumper.
Basta sagot mo yung airfare.
Papunta pa lang ako dun eh. O
Papunta ka
dapat
pa lang.
sasagot dun eh. Ito, maganda yung sagot ni AJ Miranda. Laying it up and in. Lamang na ulit ang Muntinlupa. Our Baklaan nasa loob pa rin. Para sa Caloocan. Kian.
Nice
Celis.
pass.
Fake. The basket and one for Robbie Celis.
Nice pass. Good play between those two. Well, kanina nakita natin nag-uusap yan. No?
He got fouled, turns the ball over. Quickly on the other side, Caloocan with Kian Baklaan gliding through the lane and scoring for the Batang Kakalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the third quarter. Pumapalakpak para kay Kian, but I'm sure meron to mga tropa dun sa Muntinlupa na pumapalakpak din. As Patrick Ramos, meantime, again, gets to the lane and makes a basket.
Muntinlupa.
Makeable shot for Rob, but just really doesn't go in.
Oh, what a move!
Man.
Patrick Ramos! Basket and one! Using that screen and eluding the defense on his way to the basket.
Same play.
Rob Celis.
Sikip.
Kasin left free for a three. No. Sumoda inside. Easy pickings for the preseason Invitational 2026 live from the home of the Batang Kakalo, the Caloocan Sports Complex. As we begin the fourth, basket will not count, much to the chagrin of Sean Argente. Ito may quarter scoring, Coach Mike.
Oh, yung mga fans na, you have to understand, this also is an adjustment for Kian.
So after the review, they count this basket from Sean Argente. Argente, pasok yung kanyang free throw. Babasa isa ang lamang ng Caloocan, 52-51.
And really, that basket should count. It was one go in one motion. So, good thing that they challenged it. Nice
Rob
pass.
Celis getting himself free. Nice pass from Chris Biton. Argente. Sumugod. Dire-derecho for that layup.
Talino rin talaga ni Sean. Pretty soon, we'll see the real Kian Baklaan.
Libre si Chris. Corner pocket free.
There you go.
Book it.
But that really started with Kian Baklaan create.
Around inabot niya kay Jam Ramito. Celis. Umikot.
Oh
Layup
my!
is good. Itong Caloocan.
Yeah, they were number
In terms of
one.
blocks, oo.
They were number one at, 5.3 blocks per game.
Baklaan.
Oh my goodness.
Zooming in for the layup.
Forget it. If you're gonna allow him that straight...
The steal. Muntinlupa finding themselves in a funk right now. Baklaan separating himself.
Oh
What a
my
pass to Jam Ramito, who floats it up and in.
Oh my God. If he's not scoring, he's creating, he's dishing. Good answer by MJ.
Long three-point shot from the former JRU heavy. Line pick.
Galing.
Kalahat sa tres. Wala. Ramito sa loob. 2 points. Back-to-back for Jammer. Nagaling din yan sa Nueva Ecija
Oh, yes.
with Rob Celis.
Oh, wow.
Biton comes away with a steal. Pasa kay Jello Razon. Winasiwas pa. Scores 2 more as Caloocan has opened up their biggest lead at 14 points. What would have brought the roof down here at the Caloocan Sports Complex had that gone in for Kian Baklaan. Instead, it gives an opportunity for Felix Apreco to score inside back-to-back baskets for the former Jensen Warrior. Jello Razon. Long three-pointer. Short. Running start for MJ De La Vergen. Nice pass. Argente filling the lane for 2 more.
See how Sean sprinted that left. Alamin ko ulit yan. Ang dami nyo kasing gumalaw.
Kaya nga sa dami ng
Players,
mga galawan sa MPBL, ang hirap ng mag-keep track.
Oo, totoo.
Apreco sa loob. 6 points here in the the fourth period.
Don't look now. This is a 4-0.
GR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Biton. Step back jumper over MJ Talaveren, making it look easy. That was tough, Coach Mike.
Yeah, and you could tell that Chris Biton immediately wanted to chase for that space. Entire right side of the floor open. Once he got to that space, used that footwork to create separation. But Sean, though, also knocking down shots.
Brilliant performance for Sean Argente. Just off the mark. Good attempt though from Sean Argente. Biton, what a move! Putting in perhaps the finishing touches to the strong second half showing by Caloocan. Should be fun moving forward for Caloocan as they secure this win.
Yeah.
They had to earn it against a
Alright.
gritty Muntinlupa squad.
Oh, tsaka, well, hats off to Muntinlupa Cagers for giving a good challenge all game long to the high-powered Caloocan team. But this is why you have preseason.
Final score 66 for the Muntinlupa Cagers, 74 for the 1-0 Caloocan Batang Kangkalu.